We are getting our hair done. Got Uncle John with me. And Jessica and Lindsay and the Flower Girls. Kayla. And Jennifer looks like a princess. Dun, 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 dun. It's just gorgeous, Jennifer. Okay.
Thanks, Uncle John.
So we have our little steamer here because we forgot to do that, and so Tommy is being the miracle worker.
Oh, he's awesome.
Hello.
Hi.
It's almost here.
Yes. I'm excited. I look pretty.
Hang on, Tommy. You know, have you ever seen the Shaggy Dog? That Disney movie, Shaggy. You are beautiful, Brittany. It's just, look at all your hair.
That's how you looked in the 80s. I don't want to hear it.
Ooh, bam! Bam! Hey, Bride, can you walk this way, Bride?
Jennifer, she's organizing.
Okay. Can you walk over here, please? I can't.
Look how pretty I am.
I wanted to. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. It's your day. Are you just kind of like out there?
Yes.
I have the rings, just in case
Oh,
you.
good.
Yeah.
Did you get the pads for my shoes?
I did. We got. Did you not? So.
You're not filming.
Okay, Jessica, you are styling, girlfriend. Heels and yeah, awesome. Yep. And thank you very much for making a sandwich. I can't film behind me because the bride is changing.
Not my dress.
Well, but
And you have one with action. All right, we are in process of getting ready. Okay, gotcha. I can help you in a minute. Okay. Thank you. I can help you in a minute. I'll go put these on. Jennifer's getting all pretty. Fantastic. And we have a whole room of people.
Girls.
Jessica's about to get naked, so I'm going to move this over here.
Okay. Beautiful. Yes.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
What's that? Lindsay, are you cleaning hair and stuff? Because I think my mom's just starting to fall. You might help her pin it. Mom, didn't you want your hair pinned a little bit better?
I think I'm okay. It looks okay.
There's one piece in the back that looks a little loose from this angle. Right? There. Do you see on the end? Or is it, maybe it's not loose. Maybe it's this one. No, like the I would like to wave this thing. It's heavy. It's beautiful. It is heavy, but
we got the dress going here. We got the dress going.
That's just crazy. Didn't get that reaction. I'm sorry. That's awesome. She always gets those kind of pictures. I do. That's funny. That's like perfect timing. Okay.
Come in.
Bring that. That's what I need. You can put that right here.
Okay, real quick. Okay, these two here. Sorry, but.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I think it's just being. I'm hurrying. I know you guys are hurrying. I'm gonna get dressed
And then add a big
Then come back. Okay.
Jen, do you want a toast?
Yeah. Oh.
You can have just a little bit of a toast.
Yeah.
Oh, Jennifer.
Oh, she looks so beautiful. So beautiful.
Oh, I love your dress. Oh.
Now let's be honest, I look better. We're all thinking it. Okay. Oh shoot.
You're both beautiful.
Oh man.
But there's something.